Hello guys and welcome to Python programming tutorials by Amul's Academy. Today in this tutorial we are discussing about how to print stars in alphabetical L shape, and the code is similar to the previous pattern programs. So let's begin with the code. In the output we can see stars in different row and columns. So to print stars in different row and column we need for loop. So here we can see the for loop. First for loop is to print stars in the row, and inside that we can see another for loop. It is to print stars in the column. Here row and col are variable name and we are using range function. And in the output we can see 7 rows and 5 columns. So here I'll mention range as 7 and 5. 5 columns and 7 rows. And inside that we can see if else conditional statement. That is, we need to print stars in some particular pattern. For that we need condition. That's why we are using if else conditional statement. And here after if keyword we need to write the condition, that is in which row and column we want to print star. If we see the output, we can see in the column 0 we want to print star in each row. So first condition will be, I'll check whether column is equal to 0. Next here logical OR operator. That is, in the case of logical OR, if any one of the input is true, output will be true. And here if any one of the condition become true, I want to print star. That's why I mentioned logical OR here. And next we can see at the row 6 we want to print star. And here column should be greater than 0 at that time. So I'll write like this. I'll check whether row is equal to 6. If it is true, then column should be greater than 0. And this is my second condition. Here I use logical AND because I want both the condition to be true here. This is my condition. Next column. And inside that if condition we can see print star end is equal to empty string. That is, if this condition becomes true, then it will print star there and end will be empty string. In the print by default end value will be /n, but here in our output after printing one star I want another star immediately after that. I don't want any new line between them. So I mentioned empty string here. And if this condition becomes false, then control goes to the else part and it will print space. That is, here we can see the space, right? It's because of execution of else part. And here next we can see the print inside the first for loop. It is for the new line. That is, after printing stars in one row, I want next star in the next line. For that I'm using this print. Now we are done with our code, so we need to save this and run this. And here we can see the output. Okay, that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. I'll meet you next class. Till then, take care.